In the heart of nature, the battles among animals unfold like a painting. The strength of the tiger clashes with the roar of the lions, disrupting the silence of the wilderness. The ground trembles, and trees rustle as spectators. Amidst blood, sweat, and tears, each defends its own kingdom. In the end, the scent of victory lingers in the air, but lions and tigers withdraw with balance. They are the mighty guardians of nature. They exist not through battles, but through harmony. In this video, we have compiled the fights between animals, and here we go. Enjoy watching. A moment when two giants came face to face on the beach. They were attacking with their bodies, and clouds of dust were covering the area. A Chinese proverb says, "Nothing can stop an elephant except another elephant." In the silence of the savannah, two giraffes challenged each other by intertwining their long necks. Their bodies swayed to the rhythm of the twisting necks, and a rumble rose from the ground as the fight commenced. Eventually, one's strength overpowered the other. Yet behind the battle lay not only leadership but also the delicate balance of the savannah. Two fighting hippos were attacking each other to death. The crocodiles, fish, and birds that witnessed the incident were cheering so that one of them would lose the battle and be our lunch. In the forest, two buffaloes faced each other. Horns clashed, the ground trembled. The earth told the story of the fight. Two snakes are fighting each other, but from the outside it looks like they are hugging each other and making love. There is no democracy in the jungle, and the king of the jungle must prove himself in the arena the old-fashioned way. A proverb says, if you ask a bear to dance, the bear decides when the dance ends, not you. These two bears cannot agree on having the last word. Roosters may be the fightiest animals in the world. It would be wrong if we did not include them in this list. These two strange fish, which throw sand at each other as if vomiting, seem to be backbiting each other rather than fighting. Even the fights of antelopes are artistic. If you encounter these two delicate-looking animals in the forest, run away without looking back because they will not hesitate to carve the letter Z on your forehead like Zorro.
Lighthouse of Science.
We have come to the end of our video. You can support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel to continue the entertaining and informative content. See you in the next video.